Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 10 of our $1,000 per month online challenge. My name is Sandeep. I am from India. If this is your first time seeing my channel or getting involved in online challenge, please subscribe it. If you really like the video, please like it. And if you have any question, please email me in the given below. Okay, let's sign in my home business academy. Let's start business. We have to get to the Google, then home business academy. You have to click that. This is the members login.
Hit it, my friend.
You have to click there, and it's affiliate zone. Then you have to click Samcart affiliate login. That's where this is Samcart affiliate dashboard. Let's see if we get any sale or not. Sorry. Okay, no sale today also. For last 1 week we could not get any sale, so no problem. Our main focus is to just do our basics thing to promote this $25 all-in-one business, and sale will finally there when we promote them. Yes, almost 1 week have gone. Today is day 10, and in this case study we have got only one sale till now. So I'm not losing any patience. I know it required patience as well as some investment. It may be online business or offline business. Both business or any business require some investment as well as patience, because initial days business require patience. You will not get any customer or any sale in quick session. Yes, it requires some strategies. We have to follow this, and we have to make another strategy to get sale. So now I have not shifted any strategy of mine. I will be promoting this business through my email marketing only. So now look here, which product we are promoting. We are promoting this $25 all-in-one digital business. What is this $25 all-in-one business? It's basically a funnel builder where you can build any type of website, any types of website. If you want to build for any hotels or any parlors or any gyms, small business, big business, any business where require website, you can easily make them. And the most important is it just costing $25 per month only. There are big brands available in the market which will give you same features as this $25 all-in-one business giving you, but they will charge you almost $97 to $300 per month. So initial level, when we are not getting so much sale, we are in very initial days of our business, so we have to buy that product which is economical as well as effective. This is the best. I will tell you, this is the best. If you purchase ClickFunnels, if you purchase anything, they will be very very costly, but all-in-one $25 is economical. So why I'm promoting this business? Why I'm promoting only this type of business? Yes, all other funnel builders will give you commission for rest of your life, but I'm promoting this business because first of all, you will enjoy unlimited residual income for life. That's the one. Yes, other business will also give you unlimited residual income, but the main difference between that business and this business is that it will provide you, give you 80% commission of every sale generated for life, month after month, year after year, for till the life, till your customer pay every month, you will get commission 80%. So what that mean? That mean that in first month, if you make 4 sales, for example, if you make only 4 sales, 4 sale commission will be $80. The next month, if that customer give their monthly deposit, you will again get $80. That means that this $80 is permanently will be in your account month after month when your client give monthly money to this business. So that means if you get, I will say, only 20 customers, for 20 customer you will get the commission of $800. I will say that you make 20 customer within 3 to 4 months, if say. So rest of life, if they are in this business, your $800 income will generated in your account every month. So we have to do that type of business which is residual. And more important, I will say that, look at this. Okay, so I will say, just this business have already paid $2 million in commission to people just like us, which are promoting their business. $2 million. So it's a very, very good business. But your main concern will to promote this business through any traffic source which you are know how to promote that. To start your business, you have to click here. You have to check out this, your contact number, billing address and payment method. They will also give you bonus, 100% free bonus for 2 weeks. What is this type of bonuses? This is Home Business Academy premium customers. This will be the premium version. In this version, they will teach you how to promote through free ads including Instagram, YouTube, etc., and also paid ads like Facebook ads and this type of. They will master you in this. For this, you have to pay $125 per month. For initial, to just see how the system works, they are providing you totally free a bonus for 2 weeks. After that, they will charge you $125. If I suggest you can try this and see how this system go, because my friends have already invested in this Home Academy Business Premium, and they have also started I will say they are now almost getting $400 to $500 per month income. They are totally new, like I am. Basically, I'm I also do 9 to 5 job like most of you, and we get very little time for this business. I assure that when I reach home, I invest almost 30 to 45 minutes in my business, because I'm also looking for some passive income on regular basis. So my friend have already have started this business, and he has shown me this. So I am also promoting this, because as you know, passive income is very important in your life. Maybe you are a retired person, you are a housewife, or you are like me, like 9 to 5 job person. You can make passive income by just investing your half an hour or 1 hour per day. That's not huge. So now you are you will be saying, Sandeep, how you are promoting this business? Since, as you know, I'm promoting through only one type of traffic source, which is email marketing. There are a number of very good traffic source available in the market, like Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, like push ads, native ads, huge traffic source in the market. But these all these are very expensive. From initial level, it's very expensive. If you want to master in Google ads, you have to invest almost $400 to $800 per month to get started. Same for Facebook ads and say for native ads. Yes, they will provide you brilliant results. Yes, definitely. But initial, they will you will charge almost this amount per month. Since I have a limited investment, I cannot invest so much money in that in those traffic sources. So I have chosen a very safe, effective, and economical traffic source, which will provide me good result in future. So the traffic source which I am using is My Lead Gen Secret. This is MLGS, My Lead Gen Secret. They will provide you 100 leads, 100 top quality US based leads for $1 per day. Only $1 per day. That means they will provide you 3,000 leads per month for $30. So initially, when you join MLGS, you have to pay $60. Why? Because $30 for setup fees and $30 for your monthly fees. They will charge you $30. But note, these all leads are cold leads. Yes, these leads are interested in these type of business which we are promoting, but these leads don't know you. So you have to email them on regular basis, and these leads, they all are numbers game. If you have 1000 leads or more, you will get other results, and if you are just starting, you will struggle to get some results. I will just show you. This is My Lead Gen Secret website. This is the members login. Log into my account. Look at that. Yesterday I have sent 51,100 leads. It's not a good opening, Day after yesterday, that's almost 6% opening rate and 5% click through rates. Yes, I will show you my leads. Every day they send me leads. This is first name, last name of the person, state, city, US, 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 Canada, US, best. Everything they have given you. First name, last name, email address, IP address, city, state, postal code, everything you want. So it's a good traffic source. I have just started promoting for almost, this is the 10th day. I have also promoted in ClickBank also, where I have generated almost $800 to $900 from these leads only. So these leads are good leads, but it requires some time. And how this work, you just enter the mailing address, click here, just load here, this is the load, and you have to just put it in and send me. I'm not sending here to this time. I will send all my emails after 3 to 4 hours. This is only you have to do, that's it. So I think I have covered everything, and I have crossed my fingers that I hope I will get sale very soon. Even if I didn't get sale, I will not stop promoting this business, because I know, yes, initial I'm not getting sale, I will get frustrated, disappointed, but